Hi everyone, welcome back to Over the Wire. We at Black Bat Terminal will be going over level 6 for today's episode. Today's level should be manageable if you understood level 5 well. Instead of just searching for files that are human readable, we are given two new conditions to search for. The file also has to be of size 1033 bytes and cannot be executable. In our previous episode, we explained how to search for human readable files by using this command. As it is still one of our conditions, we are going to be building on top of this command. First, let's look at how to search for files based on its size. We use the size primary to specify the file size along with its unit. In our case, we use the suffix C to represent bytes. Although C stands for character, it is used for bytes because one character typically takes up 1 byte of data. That should satisfy our first two conditions. Let's now move on to the third one. To be able to search for non-executable files, let's first identify which primary to use. Our current command searches for executable files. To fix this, add an exclamation mark to the command to represent not executable. After learning how to solve for each condition, I want to challenge you to combine everything together now. As a hint, by using our previous command, try adding the primaries for the two new conditions we learned into the following space. That's all for my teaching for this episode. Please now pause the video to give the question a go yourself before I review the solutions. Good luck. Welcome back everyone. I'll now show you the solutions to level 5. To start off, I used ls to see what we were working with. We're given a bunch of directories to search through, which is perfect for using the find command. First, I specified to search for files only. Then for a file size of 1033 bytes, and also a file that is non-executable. The last part of the command helps us look for text file types, making sure the file is human readable only. This part of the command is explained in the last video, so check it out if it is confusing. Once we found which file contains the password, use the cat command to reveal it. Good job for completing another level. Remember to store the password to access to the next level. Again, while I play the recap, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if my videos help you out at all. And feel free to leave a comment if you have a good or bad thing to say about my videos so that I can improve on it. I'll see you all in the next episode. And remember, a level a day gets you a job someday.